Hermes haul, quick Hermes haul. Let's do another time for another dose of Hermes unboxings. Working my Birkin, working my Compelly Mia Kelly. This is going towards my next Kelly. Compelly Mia Kelly, Compelly Mia Kelly, hopefully. So we're doing a quick one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing. This is part one because the other stuff I ordered during this shopping extravaganza has not been delivered yet because it had to be shipped from another store. Hi, Chai. Chai's here. Okay, so this is, we're just gonna box this really quick, but if you saw my previous videos, I did a shopping haul where I went to Hermes. I had some credit to spend and I spent it. This is one of the things I got from that video. If you can guess what it is, guess it in the comments below. But, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. This is gonna be so quick, but I did a video about this and also about Hermes's repair, and this is related to that. So I will talk about both those things in this video, okay? So if you can guess what it is, let me know in the comments below. First, I went to Hermes to spend some credit that I had. I got tricked into it. So I bought something with the credit. I bought a few things, but the other things are being shipped because they weren't available. I wanted a new one, not the floor model. This is the only one I have so far, so we're gonna do this in parts, obviously. So it's a box. All right, so I already unboxed on TikTok. So if you guys remember, I had some credit. I had a bunch of credit. I also sent my sheepers in for the spa, and I had bought them for 500 euros or whatever in France a few years ago, and I sent them into the spa to get repaired, but they said they were not repairable, so they were gonna give me the credit worth the sandals, so I doubled my money because it was 910, 996 or whatever after tax. So they gave me $1,000 in credit for the $500 sheeps I bought. So I used it to buy another pair, which if you saw the shopping vlog, I did. Because why not? Basically, I got another pair, a brand new pair for 500 because the other, like the credit they just gave me. So, I mean, yes, I could have used it to buy something else, like something for 500 or something else, but then I wouldn't have the sandals. And also, I don't know what I can get for 500. I don't know. Anyway, I got these. They're the tube ones. So I think are really great because they will go with a lot of stuff. They're neutral, good. I love a tube. I have a few bags in a tube, as you guys know. Kelly to go, Evelyn, Lindy, and hopefully expecting a new one in a tube sometime soon, maybe next year. It's on my wish list. I can't say more about it, but I hope it's coming. Okay, so this will go with that. Also, this goes with my Kelly strap, my tube Kelly strap that I got in France. So I think that it's just gonna be like a great outfit. It'll tie together with a lot of outfits. I can wear it a lot and I love it. And it's in Epsom. Oh yeah, it's in Epsom instead of the normal calfskin that they come in. So it's a little more stiff and a little more structured, which we'll see how that wears on my feet and how that feels. But as I said, it's gonna take a little time to break in, but not too worried about that because I will be wearing these all the time. Not right now because it's freezing in LA. It's so cold, but soon. Okay, yay, that's all I got. That's part one. We'll do another part later. I love you guys. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hit and share with your enemies next. I know your time is valuable and I just appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one.